Hey guys, it is a nice Friday afternoon here in Florida. We are going to make some soap, not the tallow soap that you have come to be familiar with. And we think it is going to be a good time to make some breast milk soap to use on our own infant. Maybe some of you don't know, Haley gave birth to a beautiful baby girl 3 weeks ago. This milk would otherwise spoil if we didn't freeze it to give it away or to use it. I'm just following a goat milk soap recipe and replacing the goat milk with breast milk. We've got our tallow and olive oil weighed out. It's 80% tallow, 20% olive oil, so it's going to be a very mild, nourishing, gentle bar for our baby girl. We have our sodium hydroxide weighed out and some liquid. The benefits of a milk soap is that the milk is very emollient. It helps draw moisture to the skin. It's very gentle and soothing for sensitive skin types. It's obviously filled with an abundance of nutrients. You can feed a baby for a year exclusively on breast milk. So just imagine how much more nourishing this can be for an infant's skin when we're using the superfood that they need to grow up to be healthy and strong. This is the first time we're making a soap comprised with milk, sodium hydroxide and water, otherwise known as lye. It gets super hot and that heat can scorch the milk. So what we're going to do is mix the hydroxide and the water separately and let it cool. And then we have frozen breast milk that we're going to pour in to that mixture, and it should not scorch. It should remain close to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's exactly the temperature that we'd want it. We are also going to melt down our oils and get that to about 115 degrees as well. Let's get to it. The lye has cooled down a touch, and now we're going to add our frozen breast milk into it. Guys, and we have it. The soap came to trace. It's fully incorporated. We have breast milk soap. And here it is. So hopefully by tomorrow these bars will be hard enough that we can take it out of the mold and we will let it cure for 4 weeks. That's the nature of cold process soap. You have to let it cure for 4 weeks before you're able to use it. So I'm very excited. This looks awesome. It's a beautiful, nice yellow color. It kind of looks like the breast milk, and I know my baby girl is gonna love this. So please, if you have an abundance of breast milk after giving it away to people who need it, you should make some breast milk soap for your baby girl or boy.